Hi everyone! From now, we are going to introduce many things about Japan. This is Aryan from India. He will be going to elementary school in Japan from April this year. He is very excited for his first school experience in Japan. Nice to meet you. I'm Aryan. Like Aryan, for everyone who is going to school for the first time, we are going to introduce Japanese elementary school life to everyone. Are you ready, Aryan-kun?
Yes!
Now it is time for Kyoshoku. Kyoshoku is something that everyone eats at school together. During Kyoshoku time, everyone gets ready to eat lunch and cleans up, which is the total of about 40 minutes. In Japanese elementary schools, there is a Kyoshoku-shitsu inside the school. There, the women and men make various foods every day. First, everyone washes their hands. In Japan, everyone washes their hands and then eats their food. Every week, 5 to 6 students are chosen as Kyoshoku Toban. Kyoshoku Toban is someone who distributes the food made in the Kyoshoku-shitsu. Aryan is today's Kyoshoku Toban. Let's try with his friend Satoshi. Kyoshoku Toban wears white clothes called hakui so that their clothes do not become dirty. On their head, they wear a white hat so that their hair doesn't come down. They also wear masks so that their spit doesn't go into the food. Kyoshoku Toban is someone who takes trays and pots to the classroom from the Kyoshoku-shitsu. After you bring it to the classroom, you put the Kyoshoku and get ready to hand it to everyone. In the hallways, many students line up to get the Kyoshoku. First, the kids take a tray. Then, plates and chopsticks, spoons and forks. Next, they will get the Kyoshoku one by one. Today's menu is curry rice. First, you put in white rice. Japanese rice is sticky and soft. You get curry poured on top. Now it's Aryan's turn. Can he put in curry without spilling it? Aryan-kun from India was able to put in curry very well. There is no time to being happy. One after another, students come. The task of giving everyone curry is very busy. Aryan is very busy. 私は人参が嫌いだから入れないで。俺はカレーが大好きだからもっと入れて。Like this, there are many requests. Aryan-kun, good luck! He has finally finished putting in the last curry. Aryan-kun, thank you for your hard work. Now let's put it in for the Kyoshoku touban and sit in the seat. When you eat Kyoshoku, you move your desks and make groups of 4 to 6 people. On the desk, you will put out tablecloths that you brought from home and you put your tray on your desk. When all the students take a seat, the Nichoku talks to everyone. 手を合わせていただきます。いただきます。Everyone will eat together. The teacher will also eat. How is the flavor of your first Kyoshoku in Japan, Aryan-kun? Yes, tasty. The curry that kids in Japan eat is sweet and tasty. There are onions and carrots, potatoes, and pork inside. Curry rice is very popular among students. Another popular Kyoshoku is agepan. Agepan is a long piece of bread fried in oil, topped with sugar and soybean powder, kinako. It is sweet and savory, and the bread is crispy, and it is popular among students. In addition, wakame rice is also popular. It is a bit salty, and it is white rice and wakame. Kids who have come from overseas are very surprised when they eat Japanese Kyoshoku. Japanese Kyoshoku is cooked with balance, and so kids who are picky eaters can eat it. But there are kids who don't want to eat things that they don't like. At school, they talk to the teachers and get them to challenge food. 私、人参嫌い。甘くて美味しいよ。ちょっと頑張って食べてみようよ。パク。あんまり美味しくないけれど、食べれた。It's important to try a vegetable that you have not eaten before, rather than not eating it and not liking it. If you are able to eat it, even if you did not like it, it will lead to more confidence, and the school can reach zero food loss. The Kyoshoku you eat while talking with your friends in school is very delicious. During Kyoshoku time, there will be the lunch announcement from the speakers in the classroom. The kids in the Hoso Inkai will play music that is trending and talk about quizzes and funny stories and make everyone's Kyoshoku time fun. In the middle, the okawari time will start. Okawari is kids who have finished eating and want to eat more, go to get a second serving. The popular menu will run out quickly, so it is first come, first served. There is only one left of today's popular orange jelly. There are 5 rivals. Let's decide with Janken. Janken pon. Aryan-kun has won. He can eat another jelly. Aryan-kun, are you full? Now you can study more in the afternoon. Everyone will aisatsu together and last. 手を合わせて、ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。 The Kyoshoku Toban will bring home their hakui on Friday and get the people in their home to wash it. They will bring the clean hakui on Monday and hand it to the next Kyoshoku Toban.